for a chance to win. Download the MyMaccas app and play today.
It's October 22. For full terms, visit mcdonalds.com.au.
Velocity members save up to 40% off selected products and snooze.
Fuck.
Conversations and our thoughts and our prayers for the last week or more in Sydney and beyond Sydney. Her dad Matthew will be joining us live in the studio after the news at 8 o'clock. Right now it's 6 minutes to 8. The September school holidays are almost here and Sydney Airport is ready to welcome thousands of travellers. With the Sydney Gateway now open, passengers should experience a faster, easier ride to the airport. Remember, access to both the domestic and international terminals from the M8 has changed. So you should still arrive at the airport 1 hour before.
Oh! Dumb cunt.
Go, go, go. What the? You okay, babe?
Dumb cunts, bruh.
Hey, go park on that side there, in the corner up there. Don't park here, you go over there.
Oh, shit.
Check.